drive around here. Oh yeah. And now I didn't hear it. Afraid I don't have any time. Okay, yeah, just drive backwards, I guess. What's wrong? Hello? Yes? 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 Yes, a little bit more. Yeah, I know. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah, you just can go. It's like a little bit more. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Thank you. So lovely. Yeah, it sounds like it's the back. Hello everybody. I'm here with my Jeep. My wife is whining a lot about a squeaking sound from the brake. Kato. So I think it's the back brake. One of the back brakes. When we bought this car, it was also squeaking a lot, and I put some. Seriously, nobody is on your turf. Yeah, so please. Yeah, okay. Okay. So in the beginning I put some copper grease on the brake pads in the front, and the squeaking sound was gone. Now the squeaking sound is back with a vengeance. Seriously? Kato, seriously? Okay, relax. So please relax, or otherwise you go inside, huh? Hey, otherwise you go inside. Yeah, give me 5. All right. Let's go. Better I put him inside, because I have to work on the car anyway. So I'm going to take off the wheel, take the brake pads off. That is pretty easy on this car, I hope. And then I'm gonna put some copper grease on it, and hopefully it will be gone. So this is going to be my attempt to get rid of the squeaky sound. Some nice shit going on here. My wife bought me this jack. I had the little jack, but it didn't fit under, yeah, well, it fit under the Jeep, but I couldn't jack up the Jeep. So she got me this one. Pretty cool. Let's see if I can jack up my car. Alright, brake, take off. pull the spring back, you can get it out. This pin, now this one is loosened up and you can get this one out. I just lay them here, and then if correct, you can there it is. So you can see they're quite dirty. I'm gonna clean them up, put new copper grease on it. I think this is the problem. The copper grease is still there, but here there's no more copper grease. So let's clean it up. I clean up the pack. You can see clearly that there's some kind of coating on here on the outside, and I think this is the problem, hopefully. So I have some copper grease, and you put that on the area where the pistons go. Not too much. So that's one, and then number two, just push the pistons back, and you can take it out. That's same here. You can see the whole coating is gone. Again, a little bit of copper grease. Oh, not too much. Man, a little bit too much. Shit. Yeah, the area where the two pistons are, I did a little bit too much. It's important not to do too much because you don't want this to get on your alloy wheels or something. It's, to be honest, pretty nasty stuff. Put this puppy in. Away you. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so align it a little bit with the holes for the pins. So, and I'm gonna clean the pins a little bit. These are wet tissues. So, and then just a little bit of W40 on it. Just want to zoom, clean it. W40. Then I want to clean up my caliper a little bit. And this side, beautiful caliper. And I will only do the two back ones because I have to pick up a Yumi. I have the feeling the squeaky sound is coming from the back. So, oh, that's really nice. Okay, let's put back the pins. First we do the top. You see? So yeah, and then the down. Push it back, pin through, and then the hammer. Where is it? See, there's the pin again through. The paint is a little bit broken. That's it. And that should be it, hopefully, but we will see. I'll put back the wheel. I'm gonna put the wheel. Where are you? Oh yeah. Ooh. Holy crap. That's pretty heavy. check a little bit tighter. Okay. Security measurements. Auslenweg. Torque per spec. That is I'm gonna do 50 in star pattern first, and then we're gonna do 100. 1, 2, and since I don't know what LBS is converted, I didn't check that. I'm gonna use my other one that is saying LB. According to the book, it's 100 LB, which is like 135 Newton meter. And then I will check it after my wife has driven it. Okay, that's it. Clean up the dirt from my dirty claws. Sorry, pretty wheel. So, all right. Now we go to the other side. One. Oh, holy crap. Oh. Okay, where is my first some gloves? First we're gonna do the down one. Nope, wrong. Here's that spring. Hold it to the back. I also have to order bump stops. My bump stops are broken. Just noticed that now. Nice. Oh yeah. Off. Push back. Take out. Wait, push a little bit better back. Take out. See how dirty? Here's the same stuff. It's really dirty. And then that area is metal. But I think it was that side because That side was really dirty. Let's clean it quick. Uh-oh. Check up. Just checking. I'm using what yours or your kitchen. See? This is what I meant. Here you have this layer, and here where the piston goes, there's nothing no more. So the piston on the side is rubber, but the piston itself not. So I think it is vibrating there a little bit. So I'm just putting here a little bit.
Yeah, but is that going clicking again? So meaning is that the brake?
Yeah, eventually. The brake, what brake has to be changed? This part? No, Mira. Yeah, Mira. Still a lot. It's a lot. Yeah, guys, it's a lot, huh?
Yeah, but it's still the thing.
She want new brake pads.
But it's still clicking.
We don't know yet. That's an assumption you should not do. So what you doing? Why are you walking away? You want to say hi to the useless family? Okay. Let's put this puppy in. Yeah, I'm gonna clean it. Can we make an appointment to spray this caliper? Nice new bread. Look, it's a little bit off here. So they completely make it nice red again. Look, it's not nice here. Maybe in Germany, get out.
Why you don't spray yourself?
Yeah, but I don't have this for the Brembo. I have to look at. Okay, maybe I can do it myself. It's true. Maybe I can do it myself. I was too quick. Okay, let's put this one in. Here, I will show you quick, baby. Then next time you can do it. No, just kidding. So that's it. Here's this is the other one. Push. What side?
Yeah, this side also you have to do.
Yeah, both pads.
The other one not yet.
Which one?
Yeah, that's what you're pushing.
No, I'm not gonna get it out now. I can show you. Kijk, see? This is it. It's easy. See, this is filled. That doesn't matter. But here, see? There's the problem. I think. I'm not 100% sure. I have a feeling it's going to rain. I was thinking of doing the front too, but yeah, tomorrow. Tomorrow? You have to work tomorrow. Huh? To where? She has to work. Okay. Yeah, it's no problem. I can do it all the time. The problem with the front is that one of the dust shields, I think on the driver's side, is making a vibrating sound. I want to check. Yeah, and I'm just thinking I cannot even do the front because Ayumi has to go to ballet. That's done. So then we're also gonna take the wet tissues because I wanna clean up the caliper. Put you back like that. So that's better. See, here's damaged, and there is the top layer of the paint is off. So yeah, she was right. I'm gonna look for a bright red paint, and I'm gonna look for a sticker that I can put here, so I can just paint them myself, I guess. Let's clean this one. First I'm going to do the down. So that is stuck. Oh yeah, come on. Maybe I better do it like this so you guys can see. This is aligned. I was using this. Where are you? Yeah, there's one. Almost no room. Flush. Almost flush. This is not really flush. Stuck. Stuck. Let's grab the wheel. Where are you? Okay. No. Sorry. Sorry. $100 LB. Okay, done. Let's check if we still have a squeaky sound. So, in the car, let's check it. I hope it's going well, because let's brake a couple of times. That's it. We have power back. Yeah, I know. I'm braking. Brake, 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 brake. It's not squeaking anymore. This is awesome. Okay, I'm gonna turn the car anyway. For the Wi-Fi. For the Wi-Fi, I'm gonna turn the car. Although I say it's for Angie, but to be honest, I like the car with the nose pointing forward. It's not squeaking no more. I'm so happy. Yeah, relax, relax, relax. I know my sweet Jeep. There are bushes everywhere. I'm just gonna brake, just drive a little bit, because I want to be sure that there is no crap or something on the brakes, so we won't have any problems when she's braking. So Yeah, I know. Braking. Okay, now I only have to fix if I'm taking a left corner, which I'm gonna do in a few seconds, then I hear the dust cap of the brakes in the front. Yeah, that's still here. That's freaking annoying. But I don't have any time for that now because it's now 3 o'clock, and at 4 o'clock Yumi has ballet, and although I think I can do it within that time, there is always something happening when I'm busy with cars, so I'm not gonna do it today. I will do that the next time. Angie won't need the Jeep. Tomorrow she needs a Jeep. It's pretty good for me because then I have a little bit of a relax time, because tomorrow I have to work in the afternoon because I work 5 shifts. Where am I going? Seriously, I'm going too far. Sweating my ass off. I'm just gonna turn here. Turn, my precious. Turn. Oh, I can just drive around here. No, I cannot. There's a car standing there. Why am I sweating so much? Why am I talking so much? Oh yeah. That's annoying sound, man. I want to check it, but I'm afraid I don't have any time. No, I'm not gonna check it. It's gonna be too much of a hurry. But I'm gonna show you guys what I mean, because I know what it is. Oh, the wifey will be so happy. And I'm gonna take a left corner, and you don't hear it, but no, I didn't hear it. But when you give a little bit of gas normally, I think it's a vibration. If you drive really fast, I noticed it the first time when I was in a parking garage. So let's try to park the coche. Oh, my toolbox is still standing in the way. You go there. See, and that is the space that I have. And do like that. I'm not missing anything. That's the Jeep. So, close, cheek to cheek. Why am I doing that? A couple of times. It's unbelievable, but the mailman, we have the mailbox here, but when the mailman comes from that side, they go, or he, or she, it was a she goes between the Lexus and the Jeep, and she scratched the back of the Jeep with her jacket. Really. Yeah, Poopy, where are you? Yes? You want what? Snapchat? And what does Mama say? Yeah, Mama says you cannot, and you're gonna ask me.
Mama zei je mag niet. Je mag niet op.
Oh. So Ayumi wants Snapchat, and she's not allowed by her mother, so she's asking me. So yeah, let's talk with Mommy first. I want to know. To be honest, maybe I sound old, but I not really know what Snapchat is, to be honest. Let's mirrors closed. Get out of the Jeep. Oh, fresh air, please, fresh air. See, now I park it here. Now, still people can go in between, but yeah, I hope not. So I'm gonna show you guys what this sound is. If I can, the last time, it's probably hot now. Yeah, it's hot. Dust cap. Where is the dust cap? Cannot reach it. Oh wait, maybe I can do like this. Here. I'm just feeling this. And I think on the driver's side, but I will check it probably in a week from now. So, oh, I was separated from you for 1 hour. Come on, kusje, now Papa cleaning. Okay, kusje. Oh my God, it was in my nose. So, that was my useless video. Hope you guys liked it. Hope it was uselessly useful. And see you guys next time. Laters.